In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own coming soon page in WordPress, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make this process quick and simple for you. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is where we'll begin our journey of setting up that exciting coming soon page for your site. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button and give it a click. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Next, you'll see several options to log in. For convenience, let's go ahead and click on the Continue with Google button. This step is particularly handy if you've already set up your WordPress account using a Google account, as it makes the login process swift and easy. Now, a window will pop up displaying your Google accounts. Choose the account associated with your WordPress site. With one more click, you'll be taken straight into your WordPress dashboard. Welcome back. Now that we're within the dashboard, we'll navigate to the settings. This part involves going to a specific section where we can activate the Coming Soon feature. You'll want to locate the settings link, which will be towards the left hand side of your screen. Click on settings to proceed. Once you're in the settings section, scroll all the way down to find wordpress.com site settings. Take your time here, as it can be easy to miss if you're scrolling quickly. Now, you're looking for something called Manage Site. Click on this link, which will open up some further options we need. By following these steps, you'll be brought to a page where you can turn on the Coming Soon mode. Look for the option simply labelled Coming Soon. It's designed to be straightforward so that with just a click you can activate it. This feature is a great way to let visitors know that something exciting is on the way without revealing too much in advance. The final step is crucial. Make sure to save all the changes you've made. Find the Save button on the page and click on it to ensure everything is locked in. This saves your work and activates the Coming Soon page as the default landing page for visitors. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll have your WordPress Coming Soon page up and running in no time. It's a wonderful way to build anticipation and keep your audience engaged before your full site is ready to launch. Thanks for watching and happy creating.